Understanding high-capacity press. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase, high-capacity press. This term may sound a bit technical at first, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about industrial terminology, this video is for you. Let's explore what this phrase means and where you might encounter it. First, let's dissect high-capacity press into two parts, high capacity and press. The word capacity refers to the maximum amount or number that something can contain or produce. When we say high capacity, we're talking about something that can hold or produce a lot. The word press, in this context, is a machine used for applying pressure to something to flatten, shape, or print on it. So, a high-capacity press is a machine designed to exert pressure on materials, capable of handling a large volume or producing a lot of output at once. High-capacity presses are used in various industries for different purposes. In manufacturing, they're essential for mass-producing parts, like car body panels or packaging materials. In the printing industry, these presses print large volumes of newspapers, books, and packaging at high speeds. Understanding the context is key to comprehending the phrase fully. It highlights the importance of efficiency and productivity in industrial settings. For English language learners, encountering phrases like high-capacity press demonstrates the richness of technical vocabulary and its practical applications. It's not just about memorizing words but understanding how they fit into real-world contexts. This phrase can serve as a gateway to exploring more specialized language, especially for those interested in engineering, manufacturing, or technology fields. I hope this exploration of high-capacity press has been enlightening. Remember, every piece of vocabulary is a stepping stone to greater fluency and understanding. Whether you're fascinated by industrial machinery or the intricacies of English vocabulary, there's always something new to learn. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video. By breaking down complex phrases and exploring their applications, learners can expand their vocabulary and gain insights into how English is used in various professional fields.